Hi everybody, I am sitting here with Jessica with JG Home Decor in her beautiful home, and we are going to talk to you guys today about something that is on all of our minds as parents, and that is e-learning. And even if your school has not decided to go back to an e-learning calendar, we know you're thinking about it, and so we are going to give you some helpful tips to hopefully prepare you for that and make it a smooth transition.
Starting with, think outside the office. Not all of us have an office space that's available, or it may already be being used by parents staying home. So think about walk-in closets that you may be able to clear out and add a desk to, a basement area, a guest room that's not currently being used, and last resort, even the dining room. Also, think of a window space that lets in lots of light, that you can grab inexpensive floor pillows that you can purchase at IKEA, Target, Walmart, or you may even have some already around the house, and a clipboard, and kids are ready to go.
Yep, and speaking of natural light, we have a couple months left of warm weather, so let's take advantage of it and go outside. Throw down a picnic blanket, have a lunch picnic, or even just do your language arts and your reading time outside in the fresh air.
Also, think of a space that is calming colors. This will really change the mood of your child or children. Not a space that's bold and bright colors. Anything with pastels, blues, greens, white, yellow is a much calming color to do your work in. Prep supplies beforehand. A rolling cart for each individual kiddo is a great way to keep their supplies organized.
And less fighting.
Yes, absolutely. Headphones are a great way to keep noise down, especially if you have more than one child in the same space. And fill that area with water bottles, snacks that are healthy, such as nuts, fresh fruit, granola bars, anything to keep their bellies full, so there are less chances for them to walk out of the room.
Yes, for sure. And we both have two boys, and we know that they snack all day, and coming off of summer break where snacks are just right there, that will be a very common distraction. So having them within arm's reach where they can't say, "Mom, I'm hungry," 10,000 times a day would be best. One way to make your day easier is to maintain routine and structure. That's what they do in the schools, that's what we need to do at home, and that's what kids really, really thrive on. And so wake up, have breakfast, brush teeth, get dressed, and go to work. Make the most of it, and don't forget the most important part, I would say, probably, is to have lots of wine.
Absolutely. Yeah, keep your wine stocked. Maybe we skip that part.
Oh, wait, wine. Okay, here we go. So bottom line is kids, no, that's not the bottom line. That's not what we're talking about here. Gosh, we're the worst.